If you look under the sink and you see you have the red and blue pipe coming out from the wall, you have the new PEX water supply system. So what is PEX? PEX is a type of flexible plastic. It's currently replacing the traditional copper and galvanized steel as a water supply line. Because the pipe is so flexible, it's so easy to make a Stud-out using this purple 90-degree support. So today I'm going to show you how to install this purple support to the metal bracket. Here is the purple support made by PEXRITE. It's a purple 90-degree support. The bag came with two items. It's made with plastic and the name is called PEXRITE. And this is how it looks like. And you can buy it from Home Depot, from Amazon, and it's around $5. So this is how it looks like when it's in store. And you attach the pipe to the metal bracket, and it's only support half-inch tubing, so anything bigger than half-inch it won't work. And this is the metal bracket made by PEXRITE, and it has holes on both sides, on the left and on the right, and even in between. And those holes are for you to secure it to the stud using a nail or a screw. And this is how it looks like when it's on the stud. And you can put screw, go through into the stud and attach the tubing. This is the metal bracket with a big hole and 4 square slots. It made this way so that the purple turnout fitting has a little thing up here like that, and it goes through the slot there and secure to it. Here's the metal bracket and the purple fitting. And how do you install it? And you try to go from behind the bracket. It doesn't go through because it wasn't made that way. Here you see the little hum right there on the fitting, and it's there for a reason, and it's made to go through the tiny little square lot right there, and the little hum will fit right into the slot like this. So in the back, it's like part of it go in, but there's another piece there, and if you in the front push it in, it will lock into place, and now you can turn it to any angle you like. To remove it, you turn that part pointed to the square lot and push it down, and then just push it out, and you wiggle it a little bit, and then it will come off pretty easily like that. Again, to pull it back in, you go from the front, and then you see a little hum from the fitting. Just align to that square little lot, and then you push it into the hole, and you hear click, and that's it. That's how you put it together, how easy it is. And alright, thanks for watching, and see you next time.